mean, I guess I can see there's a little give right there. It seems to be just a touch below the volume up and down button. Try the other side, see if it's the same.
Other side is good.
The other side doesn't do it, it's just on this one side. And the frame looks really straight, feels straight. So I'm going to send them off this video and see if they have any comments on, I'll be honest, I've never really noticed that before on another phone. I mean, the phone's in excellent shape. One little scuff mark, but no damage whatsoever.